Hey guys, Matt here with Ranch Armor UTV. Today we are doing a Mahindra front dash box. This one is pretty cut and dry. It is a super easy install. You need literally one tool, or two if you count the bit. You're going to use a T27 torque, an extension, and all reliable electric ratchet, cup holder inserts that are going to slide right in here. And then you're going to use the existing torques. I've already pre-loosened them, but the existing torques inside the dash, and it's going to be from driver's side 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you wanted to move it over and replace your oh no handle, it's called something else, but you know what I mean. You could actually relocate it because we have multiple holes here drilled into the back, so it could be from the passenger side if you wanted it to, or the driver's side, which is how we're going to install it today for our customer. So with it being on the driver's side, that first bolt that I showed you right here is your pigeon point, and that's going to go into this first hole, and then every bolt is going to mirror that, going into the first hole in the groups of 3s. So I'm going to go ahead and work through it, and I'll get with you at the end. All right. Probably one of the easier ways to do this. Get the center bolt put in first, tighten it up a little bit just to keep it held up there for you so you can use both your hands. And then you always want to start finger tight so that you start the thread so you don't cross thread anything, make anything harder on yourself. And then you're going to rinse and repeat for the other two. That one's already halfway in. We're going to start this one up here, finger tight, and then I'm going to walk around to the other side. And it's always helpful if you have maybe a son or a daughter with some little fingers, because somebody with big fingers like me, there needs to be more room. And I'm coming back over there. Shake it, make sure it's on there good and snug, which it is. And don't forget the most important part, because these hold the adult beverages, or the lemonade, or my personal favorite, Dr. Pepper, but you're good. That's set up, that's complete. If you want to purchase, you can get it at rancharmorutv.com. If you have questions about your install, my name is Matt. You can reach me at mj@rancharmorutv.com. Other than that, let us know in the comments or with some reviews online on our website what you think, how it works out for you. We love to hear the feedback, guys. I wish you the best of luck with your install, and have a blast driving this thing. Later.